Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: a stable Wi-Fi network and the Alexa app signed into your Amazon account. Next, power the smart device and put it into its pairing mode so Alexa can find it. Open the Alexa app, tap Devices, then Plus and add device to begin discovery. This immediate action saves time and prevents retry loops. Once Alexa sees the gadget, follow the on-screen prompts to name it and assign a room so voice control targets the right device. Once discovery starts, enable the maker's skill in the Alexa app. This links your device account to Alexa and is required for deep control. You'll sign into that account. Make sure credentials match the device's registration. Grant permissions for device control and location so routines work correctly. After linking, tap Discover Devices if automatic discovery hasn't run. Finally, group devices into rooms or scenes to simplify commands. This prevents confusion when you say, "Turn off lights" versus naming a specific light. You finish by testing voice commands and a simple routine to confirm everything works together. If Alexa fails to control the device, restart the Alexa hub and your router first. This clears network hiccups. Make sure the device firmware is current and that the skill shows as linked in the app. If issues persist, remove and re-link the skill or perform a factory reset on the smart device as a last resort. One key tip: check conflicting device names to avoid command collisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.